Hey Ken, this is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Here's your kit. Everything's included, like I was saying. These are the sign clamps to mount to your post. That's your top cap that it'll be mounted on top of the pole. The bell, basically you remove the screw, use the two self-tapping screws to mount it to the pole. You're going to have two wiring looms, one that go from the base for this, just follow the instructions, and then one from the bell. Do your drill holes, top, middle, and then the base. Make sure you run your wires through the pole, these wires here, through the pole and out the pole before you put your connectors on. The B1 is for the bell, black side is for the black wire on both of them. Let's see here. Basically the connectors, this is your clamp to mount the bar, the crossbar to the pole. Sign screws to mount all the signs. I'm going to give you 3 extra wireless remotes, no batteries in them. The wireless remote is A button turns it on, B button turns the bell on. If you hit the A button on and off, it'll let the bell and the lights go on at all times. Put a converter box, put a larger converter in there because you're going to be using it all day. So basically if you hit the A button, turns the unit on, B button turns the bell on, A button shuts the bell and the lights back off. A button or B button shuts the bell back off. Send some pictures and videos, follow the instructions on the manual how to install everything, and you should have no problem. Everything should be good. The other thing, just to note, since you got 2 separate power supplies, one remote to run both of them all the time. So once you plug it in, if you notice one or the other isn't working properly because it's not one power source for both, all you do is unplug them both, plug it back in, and then just hit your remote. That'll power up both of them. This is MadDogsTrains.com. Thank you.